Hi, and welcome to Radicals and Systems Day 4. We're going to kind of skip ahead to the exercises instead of starting out with the explorations. I kind of got a little bit of a head start. So draw a graph of the circle with the equation x squared plus y squared equals 9. Well, that means my center is at, let's see, 0, 0. And my radius is 1. We did this back in geometry. The radius is just the square root of that last number there. Now I used my compass and a straight edge to draw my axes and stuff. And now, jump down a little bit. It says, what are the solutions to the system of a circle and a line when a circle is given by x squared plus y squared equals 9 and the line is given by y equals 2? Well, I have my straight edge here, and I'm going to draw the line y equals 2. So I'm looking at the point of intersection here. And the problem is the point of intersection is going to be here and here, the points. And it's not going to be real obvious by looking at it because it doesn't cross at a perfect place. So what I need to do is substitute in for y equals 2. So I have x squared plus 2 squared equals 9. So x squared plus 4 equals 9. So x squared equals 5, and I subtract. And so x equals, please do not forget the plus or minus radical 5. And it asks us what happens when the line is given by y equals 3. Well, if I go back up here and I bring my ruler up and change my color real quick, y equals 3 is right here. So I just went up one, and I move the ruler out of the way. You can see that it only crosses at one point right up there. So if I put in 3 for y, I will have x squared plus 3 squared equals 9. So x squared plus 9 equals 9. So x squared equals 0. So x equals 0. So this would actually be the point 0, 3. And going back here, this would be the point 2 radical 5. There's 2 of them. And 2 negative radical 5. Except I just wrote that backwards. Wow. Sorry. Radical 5, 2. And negative radical 5, 2. And then the last one says, what happens when the line is given by y equals 4? Well, if we go back up here to our graph, y equals 4 is going to be all the way up there. And as you can see, or not, I'm just get a new color. I'm going to do this line. For y equals 4. They never actually intersect. Therefore, there's no solution. And if I put it in here, I will get x squared plus 4 squared equals 9. So x squared plus 16 equals 9. When I subtract 16 out of x squared equals negative 7. And there's no solution. Because we can't get a negative number when we, or have a negative under the radical. Okay? Alright. By solving the equations as a system, find the points common to the line with the equation x minus y equals 6, and the circle with the equation x squared plus y squared is 26. Graph a line in the circle to show the points. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is work with this, and I'm going to get it equal to x. I'm going to add y on both sides. So x equals y plus 6. Hang on one second. Alright, I just wanted to change here. So in place of x, I'm going to put y plus 6. So I'm going to y plus 6 times squared plus y squared equals 26. Write it twice. Y plus 6 times y plus 6 plus y squared equals 26. So I'm multiplying out y squared plus 12, y plus 36 plus y squared equals 26. So we'll have 2y squared plus 12y plus 36 equals 26. I'm going to subtract the 26 from both sides. And get 2y squared plus 12y plus 10 equals 0. So, factoring 2, we'll have y squared plus 6y plus 5 equals 0. So we'll have y plus 5 and y plus 1. So we'll have y equals negative 5 and y equals negative 1. Now, I have to find x once I find y. And my original equation was x minus y equals 6. So x minus a negative y, so x minus a negative 5 becomes x plus 5 equals 6. Subtract 5, so x equals 1. So we have the point 1, negative 5. And then if y is negative 1, we'll have x plus 1 equals 6. Subtract 1, so x equals 5. So the point 5, negative 1. So let's head to graph and check. Okay, now in order to graph this circle, I drew my axes in here. I need to have a compass that opens. Oh, hang on. Oh, we're going to play this game now. Okay, so now that I got it working here, we have x squared plus y squared. X squared plus y squared equals 26. This is not a perfect square, but it's pretty close to 25. So it's going to be just a little bit bigger than 5. There we go. And then I'm going to move this out of the way here. And we have the line, if I put it in y equals, am I supposed to be equal y equals x minus 6. So my slope is 1, my y-intercept is negative 6. So go down to negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I go over too far when I did this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then my slope we said was 1. So it's going to go up 1 over 1. And get my little back over here. See if I can't line that up and help us out. know if I can get this to be the exact. It doesn't look like it's going to work in my favor here. Oh, and there it goes. So when I draw my line, it should intersect at 1, -5, which is about here, and then again at 5, -1, which is about there. And when you're using a real compass on real paper, it makes this a little bit easier. All right. Let's see, next problem here. Graph the line of the given equation, 5x plus 6y equals 12, and the circle of x squared plus y squared equals 1. Find all the solutions to the equation. Well, let's get this in y equals 1. So it would be 6y equals -5x plus 12, divided by 6. So y equals -5 6x plus 2. So my slope is -5, 6, and my y-intercept is 2. So let's draw an axis here. So my y-intercept is 2, and my slope is -5, 6. So I'm down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we end up over there. Let's see if I can get this ruler to help me out again here. I think that's about as good as I'm going to get it. So this is my line 6y, 5x plus 6y equals 12. And then this is x squared plus y squared equals 1. So my center is 0, 0. And my radius is 1. And that's going to be too hard to do with the compass. So my center is 0, 0. There's my radius of 1. That's my circle. And you can see they never intersect. So they never intersect. So therefore there's no solution. For number 4, graph the line given by 3x plus 4y equals 25, and the circle x squared plus y squared equals 25. Find all the solutions of the equation. Verify your results both algebraically and graphically. Oh my. I want you to try this one. This will be a circle with the center at 0, 0 and your radius of 5. And then we can get 4y equals -3x plus 25 divided by 4. So y equals negative 3/4 x plus 25/4. And try to graph that, so you finish. There's lots of room down below. You need to do graphically and algebraically. Graph the line given by 2x plus y plus 1 and the circle given by x squared plus y squared equals 10. Find all the solutions to the system equation. Verify your results both algebraically and graphically again. This one, this will be what equals negative 2x plus 1. That is negative 2. Alright guys, x squared. That should be a minus x. So that's going to be a plus x. So that's going to change this to a plus, which means this has to be a plus and this one has to be a minus. So it is minus 2 and plus 1. So x is equal to negative 2. Let's see here. Do those over again. Y equals a negative 2 minus 2. So y is equal to 2 minus 2. So y is still equal to 0. So it's negative 2, 0. And then if I put in 1, so y equals a negative 1 minus 2. So y equals negative 3. So negative 3. Alright, make sure you do that graphically and go back and do those two other ones.